Structures of plants and animals that help them survive. What are structural adaptations? They are things on the animal or the plant's body that helps them survive in their environment. Let's take a look at our first example here of the rose. This plant has thorns to keep predators away from the rose who might want to eat this plant. Let's look at an animal example. This squirrel has loose skin. It allows the squirrel to glide from tree to escape predators. Now let's take a look at different structures of different animals in different ecosystems. This is an electric eel. I have poor eyesight. That means I can't see well. But I can use electricity to navigate in the water where I live. My smooth, long, round body helps me move and swim in the water. I kill my prey by electrocuting them. Boa constrictor. I have a camouflage skin that helps me avoid being seen by predators. My jaw stretches and opens very wide to eat very large animals. I have a super strong body that can wrap around prey. Anteater. I have no teeth. Instead, I have a fast and long tongue that helps me catch and eat my food or prey. I have poor eyesight, but I can smell very well, which is how I find food. I have a very long, thin snout, shown here. I can stick it into mounds to grab insects. Walrus. I have a super thick layer of blubber right here, all this fat, to help keep me warm in my cold environment. I have large, sensitive whiskers to help me find prey. I use my really long tusk to climb out of the water and dig in the snow, shown here. Shark. I have a highly developed sense of smell to track food or prey. Some sharks can track food up to a mile away. I have several rows of jagged teeth, shown here, to rip quickly through meat. I have several fins, shown here, that help me move and stay balanced while swimming rapidly. Cactus. I have roots that are big and long to help me store water in the dry desert. I have sharp spikes that keep predators away. My body swells. That means it fills with water when there is rain, so I can collect more water inside. Morning glory. This is a plant. I grow quickly and in many layers to beat other plants from getting sunlight and space. So we can see right here a big, thick layer. My deep root system grows very wide to help me dominate nutrients and water in the ground. Once I have spread out in an area, I am very hard to cut down because I can grow back again and again. Aloe Vera. I have spikes on the edges to keep animals from eating the water inside my leaves. We can see there's that the leaves look really plump and juicy with water inside. I have large, long leaves in the middle to provide shade for the shorter leaves still growing. I have leaves that are shiny and smooth to reflect the sunlight and keep me cooler. So we have looked at structures of plants and animals and how they help them survive in their ecosystem.